Pisces, I hope you all are doing good. This is Falguni and I'm here to do your monthly tarot reading. This is for the month of October. And of course, this is for Pisces, Sun, Moon and Rising. This is a general reading. Please be aware of that. Do not waste your comments or your energy to write comments like this is does not resonate, this is not happening and all sorts of things. Negative comments won't help because this is a general reading. Like I'm telling you, it will not resonate with all of you. If it doesn't resonate with you, please don't force it on yourself and leave it for the ones with whom it resonates. Okay, so Pisces, let's see what's coming towards you for the month of October in love. Let's see what's coming towards you for the month of October in love. Let's start with love and see. Okay, one more thing is, in case you want to book a personal reading, you may reach out to me on my email address given in the description box below. Okay, okay. Now let's see what's coming towards you, Pisces, for the month of October in love. What is coming towards you, Pisces? Let's see for love. Okay. So you have some sort of conflicts that are coming towards you. Maybe you are in a lot of, you are constantly fighting with someone, having a lot of arguments with someone, and you know, constant back and forth. One of them is acting like a rebel. That is, one of them is, you know, constantly acting as a rebel, that is rebel, that is, you are just denying everything, you are very argumentative, or maybe the other person is, and one of them is acting or is too innocent in the situation. So there are two types of people that I can see, and also there is a lot of innocence in the fights as well. That is also I'm trying to get. I mean that they are not very serious, of a very serious nature, but somebody is too immature to handle it. So they are immaturely dealing with the situation. That is what I'm getting in the situation. Okay, let's see what is the fights about. Basically, let's clarify the conflicting energy that is coming towards you, Pisces. Let's see what are the conflicts about, basically. Let's see, Pisces, what are the conflicts about? 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 Let's see. Okay. So we have, you want some kind of clarity, and you're waiting on the, you or your person is waiting on a situation since a long time, looking for the clarity that whether you people are together or not, or maybe one of them is acting too independent, too single, and not declaring, you know, not making the relationship official, and you're wanting to make it official, or your person is wanting to make it official, and there is no clarity in the situation. So that's why this is the constant argument that is taking place between both of you that I can see. What is the innocence in the situation? Let us also see that what is the innocence in the situation that is coming for you. What is the innocence here? What is the innocence? Let's clarify the innocence. Let's clarify the innocence. Let's clarify the innocence. What is the innocence here? What is the innocence here? Okay. So, okay. Again, there is a conflicting energy that is coming here. So one of them is too depressed because of the fights and constantly arguing, constant arguments and fights. One of them is too depressed, juggling the situation because of this, and so they don't know. Basically, the innocence here is, you, that person or you don't know what to do of this situation, how to deal with this, and how to get the better out of it, how to make this work. One of them is also feeling very defensive in the situation because of this, because there is constantly this argument going on, and the defensive person here is one who is not ready to commit due to various reasons maybe, and the other person who is waiting for commitment is very argumentative, very, you know, too much into fights every now and then, conflicts every now and then, and so there is a constant juggle of the situation. There is a lot of innocence in the person who is juggling, because though he loves, or there is love for in the heart of that person, he doesn't know what to do. He cannot even leave the situation, he is not able to be in the situation, he's stuck in the middle. So that is the innocence part here in the situation. Rebel, let's see what is the rebel card here for Pisces, let's see what's the rebel card here for. What's the rebel card here for? What's the rebel card here for? What's the rebel card here for Pisces? Okay, so you have, okay, beautiful. I mean, this is a beautiful energy that is coming towards you, and someone who is rebelling, acting as a rebel, taking control of the situation, is basically acting as a manifester. He or she has all the tools required to make the situation work. There is love in this situation. Queen of Cups depicts of high emotions and high love, high intuitive abilities, and very nurturing, very caring. And you both are two of cups, like you both share an equal connection, a very loving and nurturing connection amongst yourself. There is love in this situation. So someone is like what you are trying to manifest, and they are not basically trying to go against the situation, though the fights are going on very much in their in the 3D, but in the 5D they're trying to manifest this love. Okay, they are doing some sort of powerful manifestation techniques, maybe. Though the fights are going on, they're trying to make this work somehow. So that is the rebel energy here that I can see, which is again for the very positive. Okay, so very nice energy, I would say, and strong manifestation that is going on. Let me just arrange the cards, and then we'll see what's there for you in your love situation. Even though you people have some or the other reason to fight, or maybe you people are just constantly fighting on small things also, there is some string that keeps you both together. You both love each other. That's what I can see. Okay. Let's see what's coming towards you in your career, Pisces. What's coming towards you in your career? Let's see what's coming towards you in your career, Pisces. What is coming towards you in your career? What is coming towards you in your career? Let's see, Pisces. Let's see what's coming towards you in your career. All right. Let's find out. Okay. Again, you have so much of conflicts in your mind. I think you are not stable at all, Pisces. Please bring some stability. I don't know what happened suddenly to you. So there is a lot of conflict again going on in your mind with someone or in your workspace, and you're waiting patiently for this to end. It is also possible that the personal life is affecting you majorly, and that is why you are acting in a patient energy, so that this comes to an end and you can explore the possibilities ahead in your career. Okay, that is also something that I can see. There is a lot of possibilities, a lot of opportunities that await you, but you are not able to focus on them because of the conflicts. This is your personal life, I think, that is affecting you somehow. Okay, and you are mentally very much broken down and too much in bits and pieces, too much in conflicts, that I can say. Okay, so Pisces, let's see what is the conflicting energy here about in your career. Okay, so you're feeling burdened. You are because of, again, I told you, the family situation. Maybe your family is stressing you out on your career situation, and you're feeling a lot of burden, a lot of stress. You're not able to sleep at night, constantly worrying about this because of the mental pressure that your family is giving you somehow, and you are waiting patiently for something to happen in this situation. What are you waiting patiently for? Let's see, Pisces, what are you waiting patiently on? Let's see. Let's see, Pisces. Let's see. Okay, so you're waiting for that victory to arrive. You're waiting for that stable offer to come to you. You're waiting for that work opportunity to arrive. You're waiting for that success to come to you. You're waiting for that equal give and take in the situation, or you're waiting to basically someone, you're waiting for an employer to give you a bonus, maybe a raise, maybe a promotion, maybe you're waiting for that grant, that someone comes in the picture and suddenly acts like an angel and blesses you with what you need in your life. That is what you are waiting for. Okay, it is too stressful for you, that can see. You are wanting to celebrate something and you're waiting patiently. You think you deserve it, and you haven't still got that. So you're waiting patiently for the same. Okay, let me see what are the possibilities that lie ahead of you, Pisces. What are the possibilities that lie ahead of you? Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, so you have, again, this is various experiences you've learned through experiences, you've learned through your past, this you I mean regrets you've learned through past failures and everything. So the time is about to change for the better, and you have a lot of those opening for you. Okay, and you've also learned through experiences, but again, like I told you, you're waiting for something. That is, you waiting very patiently for something to happen. It can be a raise or promotion or a job offer or something of some sort which you think you definitely deserve and haven't got it still. Okay, you have been in a little pessimistic state lately, but you're waiting for the time to change and the wheel to turn around in your situation. Okay, that is what I have for you in your career path, in your career situation, Pisces. Okay, so we'll see what is the overall general guidance for you in the situation for the month of October. Overall guidance for Pisces for the month of October. Let's find out what is the overall guidance for Pisces for the month of October. What is the overall guidance for Pisces for the month of October? Overall guidance for Pisces for the month of October. Overall guidance for Pisces for the month of October. Okay, so you have to like learn from your experiences. Whatever you have gone through, they were a part of your learning. You need to take them as a learning lesson and move on with your life. Okay, this is the biggest advice for you. No matter, even if it is in your love situation, in your career path, wherever it is, you have to move forward by taking a lesson from whatever has happened in your life. Okay, take it as a lesson, because that was meant to cross your path for a reason. Okay, so that was it for you, Pisces. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and stay blessed. Thank you. Namaste.